Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? Welcome back to our channel Tech World, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Netspend prepaid card account. So by preparing Netspend prepaid card account, you guys can buy Netspend card online without having to go to a store physically to buy it. You can create its account, and advantages: you can buy its card by sitting at your home as well as activate it's got to use it for online as well as do many more other stuff, alright. Like contact their, servers, or like contact their stuff if something went wrong. So these are just like some, extra facilities you guys are going to get by creating account. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you in order to create a Netspend account. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech World for future videos like this. Let's move on. First step: search for Netspend. Once you search for it, click on Netspend Prepaid Debit Card Business Prepaid Card. Once you click on it, it'll bring you to this website over here ready to sign up. Now we need to enter your first name. And you need to enter your last name over here. And after you do that, you need to enter your email address over here. So I'm going to enter my email address. You guys also do that and click on continue. And the next step is going to ask you for some more information. So wait for some time, like your street address where you live in and your zip code of the place where you live. You need to fill this to form, and you need to check like direct deposit. Which of the following payment would you like to receive a direct deposit? You want to choose which payment you want to use. If you don't want to use any right now, click on none at this time, but if you want to, you can choose it. And to create the Netspend card account, you need to buy a Netspend prepaid gift card first, right? So choose which type of Netspend prepaid gift card you want. And click on Residence Get Card. And basically it's going to take you to a place where you guys need to buy an Netspend gift card. But once your purchase of Netspend card has confirmed, then your accountant that this information is going to be created. Alright? So that's how we guys can create yourself a Netspend prepaid gift card online account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And for those people who do not know, Netspend is a company which prepares prepaid gift card. If you don't like Amazon gift card, the card which you can only use in Amazon, but Netspend you can use it in Amazon. Any place is basically like a Visa card but in a gift card format. Alright, so bye bye.